I talk to a lot of other accountants, bookkeepers, and business owners, and I'm frequently asked, how do I do it? How do I produce so much content? And the answer I have for people is, first of all, if you want what I have, then you have to be willing to do what I've done. And what I've done is I've put in the time. It may seem like I'm up 24/7, just constantly producing content. It's not really the case. I've mastered a craft. I've mastered a craft in terms of how to create content, how to teach the subject matter that I love to talk about because it's what I love to do every day. And that's all you need to do is take what you already love doing and talk about it. Creating content doesn't mean you have to get in front of the camera if you're shy. Doesn't mean you have to be a very good writer. That's a skill you can learn. So I created this course, How to Become a Content Creation Machine. In the first section, it's going to go over how to write your content, and it's going to give you all kinds of ideas for how to manage your ideas and so on. But we're going to teach you how to write a blog post, and we're going to teach you how to optimize. This part here, how to use Yoast SEO to optimize your writing, literally made me a better writer. A good friend of mine who's a professional writer remarked, without me asking, that my writing had improved dramatically, and it was since I started using Yoast SEO, because it's not just about optimizing to be found and to game the internet to get people onto your blog post. It's about learning how to write in a way that makes it easier for the reader to understand what your essential message is. And so this course will teach you how to get better at writing if you're not already a good writer. And then you can certainly hire a professional writer to clean up what you've written, but the original brainchild should be yours. Next section, we'll go over making videos. We're going to teach you about Camtasia, editing your video with Camtasia. So again, you don't need to turn the camera on your face. You can simply record your screen and talk about your craft and talk about and not even talk about, teach people the very stuff that you're a subject matter expert in. We'll talk about how to process and upload those videos, podcasts, and creating GIF images, why and how to use them. And then I've added this appendix with some webinars that I've done with additional video and content tips, tricks, and strategies. And I've got a couple more to add, one on search engine optimization tips and tricks, and another with more on how to write copy, where I had my friend Lisa, who's a professional writer, come on my Zoom on a Friday and go over that. I'm going to include that video here. So you have all of this information in one place, in one concise sequential course that will help you to become a content creation machine. If you want what I have, you have to be willing to go to any lengths to get it. You have to be willing to do what I've done. And I can teach you right here exactly how to do that.